back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. Here is a tutorial of a look that I wore recently for a cocktail party, and I have used just the K-Beauty eyeshadow crayons to create this look. So I literally just used 2 eyeshadow crayons from her line to create this look, and I absolutely love it. I love the metallic shadow, it's so gorgeous. It's kind of like my signature smoky eye look, and very quick, very simple, very easy to create. Even a beginner can do this, it's not difficult. I'm in a hurry for the intro because my camera battery is about to die. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So starting off with the base, I'm using the Indulgeo Essentials 24K Gold Moisture Gel. This is a very good lightweight moisturizer and can be used under makeup. And you can also use their rose gold oil if you want a more intense one. So I'm using the Laneige lip balm because my lips are too dry and they need moisturization. And then I used this Clarins Beauty Flash Balm. So this was kind of like a primer to me. I'm still yet to use it more to know what it exactly does. And to correct my under eye circles, I'm using the LA Girl Orange Corrector. Since I'm going to do an intense smoky eye, it's very important that my under eyes do not look tired. And then I'm using the Clinique Even Better Glow Foundation. That's my shade number. I really like how lightweight this foundation is, and it is really glowy. It's not a very full coverage product. It is a very sheer to medium coverage, but I just love the way you can just blend it with your fingers so easily. Something very good for on the go. For concealer, I'm using the PAC Spotlight Concealer in this shade number 6. Beige, and then I'm just going to blend that. Sorry for the bad angle of the camera. I was just looking into my mirror and I didn't realize that it wasn't in focus, well in focus. And then I'm going to set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I'm using this brush from the brand called Nykaa, available on Amazon, and the whole set is just for like 1,999. You can watch my IGTV videos to know more about the brush set. And I'm again using their brush and this Nykaa contour palette to contour my face. You know the drill. I really like this brush for contour. It's a really nice shape to get under the cheekbones and even for contouring your nose. So I really like this brush. Then I'm going to bake my face with the same Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder as I'm going to do my eye makeup now. Not that it really needed anything. So I'm using the K-Beauty eyeshadow crayon. The first shade I'm using is Plush. It's a very beautiful, like an orangey brown color. Great as a transition shade. So I'm just applying a little bit and then taking a dense brush to blend all of that. And reapplying it till I'm happy with the intensity of the color. And then moving on with the next shade. It is in the shade called Starry Night. Beautiful black, grayish black color with glitter. So I'm applying that roughly on my lids, and then taking a brush. I'm just going to blend that because otherwise it will look harsh and it won't look blended with the transition shade. So I'm just going to blend it a little in my crease area so that everything looks smooth. And I did apply the same colors on my bottom lash line, and then I applied Shuqra lashes by Henna Beauty. For blush, I'm using the MAC blush in the shade Peaches. I've been obsessed with this shade. It's so gorgeous and goes with so many looks. And I'm also using a MAC highlighter. This is in the shade Beaming Blush. So I'm using MAC Fix Plus to set my face, and then I'm using the K-Beauty lip liner in the shade Hype to line my lips first. And then I'm going to use this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cremes. I'm using the shade Cannes and Kyoto. I'm going to layer Cannes first and then top it off with Kyoto to create my custom color. I just love the way it turned out. And that, you guys, completes the entire look. So guys, that's the final look. I hope you all really liked it. If you all didn't, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notifications on so that you know when I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.